Sarat, welcome. Good to see you. Are you suggesting here that earnings are less important now than revenues and cash flows?
No, I think earnings are really important, but I think the emphasis is going to be who is going to have positive cash flow and revenue growth. Because in the last couple of years, investors they gave somebody a pass that said, it's great, you're investing in your business, keep on doing that. But now I think where you're going to really look at is, are you truly having a return on capital invested? Are you going to grow your cash flow? Are you going to return cash back to shareholders either by buybacks or dividends or increasing the business? And I think that change is coming with your conversation just now with Steve, because interest rates are going to be moving. So you've got to give investors an option here to say, do I want to go back to the bond market, or do I want to go back to companies that have true cash flow and not just pie in the sky, price to sales? Hey, you know what? We have something out there.
So how careful does one need to be in analyzing revenues and trying to separate what is really organic or growing revenues from simple inflation?
So that's a really good point. So take an example like a Delta. So Delta was cash flow positive before that pandemic. What they've done is they said, hey, guess what? We're not going to increase capacity. What we're going to do is change the mix within our plane so that you're going to be paying more for premium, more for business, and less economy seats. What they're also doing is saying, we're going to partner with other airlines so that we're not going to increase our capex. You're going to see real organic growth on a company that has cash flow, growing cash flow, paying down debt, and earnings.
So
Take,
basically,
for example,
they're going
Uber. What has Uber done?
They're going to sliver Delta's going to sliver the pricing so that if you want to bring your legs on board, you pay extra, right?
You're going to pay extra for the legs, and you're going to pay extra for that drink, and you're going to pay extra for the bag. And that's just going to be a permanent shift.